Hi friends, welcome to Radha's Food Court and Vlogs. Happy Janmastami to all my viewers and family. Today I am going to present before you how to make Uppu Seedai and Vella Seedai. First let's see how to make Uppu Seedai. For Uppu Seedai we need 1 cup of raw rice. We need to wash it thrice and soak it in clean water for an hour. We'll make rice flour from this later. Now take Urad Dal. I am taking here whole Urad Dal 1/3 cup, whichever cup which we used for taking the rice measurement. We need to fry it in a kadai. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes in sim flame like this. This consistency we need to get. Now we will powder it in a dry mixer. Sieve it well. Sieving helps to avoid bursting while you deep fry Cheedai, as it incorporates air in between. So make sure you sieve well. Now we will take the rice. We have to dry the rice which we soaked it in water for an hour. Now we need to make it completely dry and powder it. Spread evenly in a clean cotton cloth or something like that and sieve it well. We will dry roast the rice flour for 1 or 2 minutes until we can draw one line from that rice flour. That is the consistency. Make sure the flame is in low simmer flame. Now let's mix all the ingredients together. Take a bowl, mix all the ingredients together. Our roasted rice flour, roasted Urad Dal flour, Jeera, salt, pepper, butter and coconut pieces. We will grind together the coconut and pepper along with Jeera together and we will add to our mix. Just the salt accordingly. Use unsalted butter here. For making all nevedyams we usually use the unsalted butter. The nice aroma of the pepper and jeera along with coconut gives a rich taste to our Uppu Seedai. Add water little by little, sprinkle it to the mix and make the dough. Do not add more water. Crumple and mix it. You can check the dough should be moist, and you can place it in your palm and check the consistency. You can adjust the salt if required at this stage. Our dough is ready, and we can spread some oil in our palm and make small Cheedais. If you feel the dough is dry, you can sprinkle some water. Drop one small ball to check the temperature and to check if it is not bursting before putting all the ones at a time. Keep in medium heat. Repeat the process and make the entire Cheedais. You can strain the remaining oil if you want and serve it immediately. Our Uppu Seedai is ready. Do try this recipe. So now let's see how to make Vella Seedai. This is a sweet version of Uppu Seedai. So for this we need 1 cup of rice flour. We will roast it until it turns slightly golden color. Keep stirring and see the color changing. Do not over roast the rice flour. Take 1/3 cup of jaggery, boil until it dissolves, filter it and remove the waste. When the pav turns to sticky, that is takali palam we say, off the flame, switch off the flame, add the fried rice powder, fried urad dal powder, 1 teaspoon of sesame seeds, 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder, a pinch of salt and coconut pieces. Reminding you again, please make sure you sieve 2 to 3 times both rice flour and urad dal flour in order to avoid bursting. Now let's add 1 tablespoon of butter. Mix everything together well. So this mixing we are doing in flame only, low flame. Then after this we will turn off the flame. We'll transfer the content to another bowl. Then we will mix it and prepare the dough for making Cheeda. Now let's prepare the dough for making the Cheedai. We'll sprinkle some water at a little bit water at a time. Mix it, crumble it and mix. Hold the mix in your palm and check the consistency, and then we can make the small balls. We can prepare small balls. Then we'll deep fry it in the oil. For exact measurement of both the cheedais, please check the description box. I'll be writing it in detail. Heat coconut oil. Make sure the flame is always low or medium. Put 4 or 5 balls into the oil. Fry them very slowly. Stir it occasionally without breaking until they turn brown color. That's it friends, our Vella Seedai is ready. So we have here two varieties of seedais. One is sweet and other is savory. Do try this and let me know in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching Urad Dal's food court and vlogs. Bye bye.